Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we have a special NFT project to talk about, mightypirates.io. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below on my channel, The Educational Network. Welcome aboard the shipmate. Us pirates love to sail the Solana seas and drink booze, and this is one of the biggest NFTs in the NFT space right now. It's got the potential to make it really big. The time to mint is very soon, so if you want to get on board this ship, guys, you gotta do it right away. So lock this date down because it's gonna be massive, and be ready for it to ride this particular NFT because it's got the potential to make it big. A collection of 2,888 unique mighty pirates sailing the Solana seas searching for booze, and each pirate is one of a kind piece of art. So guys, if you have not followed them on Discord and Twitter, I highly suggest you try and follow them on Discord and Twitter, because Discord is the only place that you can find reliable information about any NFT, and this particular NFT in particular. So the supply is 2,888 with a price of 0.75 for the whitelist, and the date is going to be May 18th. So lock that date down, write it down, because it's going to be massive. So what is this NFT all about? The Mighty Pirates aim to bring one-of-a-kind art, community, and utility to the Solana blockchain. Their main focus is to build an incredibly strong community and to provide users with utilities in their NFT and their token. Along with their mighty sail across the seas, they will encounter the lady pirates. Holders will be able to breed their male pirates with the lady pirates and be rewarded with a baby pirate. You will need booze for the breeding process, and we also create a raffle site that will only accept booze as the entry ticket, burning all the tokens entered. The experienced NFT holders, the experienced NFT founders have learned a lot from their previous ventures. Everything they've learned, they will be utilized here to ensure the pirates find a lot of booze on their sales. Now, if you look at the NFT themselves, I personally believe the characters are absolutely brilliant. The artist has put a lot of soul in developing these particular pirates, and that is one of the keys to success for any NFT. If you look at the big names in the industry, such as the Bored Ape Yacht Club, the meta avatars, Beans, or Invisible Friends, you'll be clearly see that the NFTs have a lot of potential. The art that has been developed by the artist has a lot of soul. I feel the Mighty Pirates have done a wonderful job when it comes over here and brought these NFTs to the world. The roadmap is absolutely brilliant. I have not come across a roadmap that has so detailed information on it, and obviously a very clear indication of what they're doing, how they're sailing this particular project to new heights, and obviously what problems they're facing on the way and countering them with excellent methodology and strategy that they're implementing. If you look at the major names in the industry, you will clearly see that they have one of a kind roadmap, and based on that roadmap, they're able to scale their project to new heights. And I feel Mighty Pirates have done a wonderful job from the first sale to the fourth sale. They launched their Twitter and Discord, began marketing and growing their community with launching their website and collaborating with other projects for the whitelist spot. With the second sale, a conduct Mighty Pirate Mint, list on Magic Eden, staking your pirates and earning booze and creating utility booze as well. With the third sale, the breed Mighty Pirates and Lady Pirates using booze, and baby pirates will be born with the sailing of the Solana seas. With the fourth sale, with the launch of the series of games on their website, which is another methodology that can be used to earn on this particular NFT. And with the beginning of the marketing campaigns and buying the lands in Solana metaverse and building the mighty ships, there will be an exclusive place for the pirate holders to meet, to trade, and for raid the booze and loot and conduct auctions, rent a pirate ship, and also have free merchandise for their holders. The fifth sale is to be determined very soon. Guys, looking at the team, so that is a very clear and conclusive roadmap that we have gone through right now. The team, I feel, is one of a kind. Any successful team and any successful pirate sales has to have a team worthy of its name. I personally feel they have a team that has a lot of experience sailing these seas and understand exactly what they need to do. And that is the reason why they've got the potential to scale this particular project to new heights that no other NFT has seen till now. And they're doing a wonderful job with the experience they have. Both these pirates have a lot of experience in the NFT space and the crypto space, and combining those experience and bringing you an NFT worthy of its name, they're able to scale it to heights no one has ever seen before. It is built on Solana, guys, and that is what makes it so great. So if you're not following them on Twitter and you haven't followed them on Discord, please do it right away, because these are the two places that you will find a lot of information about. I'm going to show you their Twitter handle, and I personally feel their Twitter handle is one of a kind. They have 15,700 followers. I'm going to increase that by one number right now, and as I scroll down, you will clearly see the amount of engagement they tend to have with their users, where they're continuously updating information and providing that information to their users and giving that information to their users so they can take a proper decision in investing in this NFT. And remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. So please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing, and then do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon and share this video with your friends and your family so more people can find out about Mighty Pirates and invest and put their efforts into getting this particular NFT. And please comment in the comment section below if you have anything to say on Facebook, on YouTube, or on Instagram. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.